Are you looking for the best budget 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best budget 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anicubic Cobra 3v2 Combo 3D Printer. Ideas feel more powerful when they become something real, and the Anicubic Cobra 3v2 Combo 8-color FDM 3-dimensional printer creates the transformation in a way that feels deeply rewarding. Watching multiple shades come together into one creation builds a strong emotional connection, making every design feel unique and full of life. This experience inspires users to think beyond limits and express creativity with confidence. A fast and smooth creation journey keeps motivation strong. When projects move forward without long waiting periods, it helps users stay focused and excited about their work. This steady pace builds a sense of achievement, encouraging creators to explore new concepts and bring more ideas into reality. Each finished piece becomes a symbol of personal effort and imagination. Dependable results create a feeling of trust that makes the process enjoyable. Clean and balanced output allows users to feel confident in their work, reducing stress and increasing satisfaction. This comfort helps beginners start easily while giving experienced creators the freedom to experiment and grow. Learning becomes simple and natural, allowing users to improve with every project. Adjustments feel easy to understand, turning each attempt into a meaningful step forward. The connection between thought and creation becomes stronger, bringing a deep sense of pride with every completed design. Number 2. Anicubic Cobra 3 Max Combo 3D Printer. Turning imagination into reality becomes a captivating experience with the Anicubic Cobra 3 Max Combo multicolor 3-dimensional printer. Watching large creations gradually appear layer by layer sparks a sense of excitement that deeply connects users to their projects. Each design carries a personal touch, making every creation feel unique and meaningful. This emotional experience inspires users to explore new ideas boldly and bring visions to life with confidence. A seamless and rapid creation process keeps energy flowing and motivation high. When projects progress steadily, users feel a natural sense of accomplishment that drives them to continue innovating. The smooth pace transforms ideas into tangible results, turning simple thoughts into creations that evoke pride. Each completed project becomes a reminder of effort and dedication, encouraging further exploration of creative possibilities. Consistency builds trust in every step of the process. Clean and well-structured outcomes give users reassurance, allowing them to focus on the joy of creation rather than worrying about errors. Beginners gain confidence while learning, and experienced creators find freedom to experiment and push boundaries. This reliable performance makes each project feel rewarding and enjoyable. Learning feels intuitive and effortless as simple controls enable users to adjust designs and improve gradually. Each creation becomes a step towards skill growth, strengthening the connection between imagination and reality. Number 3. Aibecy 3D Printer. Turning ideas into reality becomes an inspiring and rewarding experience with the Aibecy 3-dimensional printer frequency division multiplexing 3-dimensional printer. Watching a design gradually appear creates a sense of wonder and excitement that makes every project feel personal and meaningful. Each creation reflects the imagination of the user, encouraging learners to explore new concepts and experiment without hesitation. This emotional connection transforms ordinary learning into an engaging and motivating experience. A smooth and rapid workflow keeps creativity flowing from start to finish. When projects progress steadily, users feel confident and motivated, knowing that their effort will result in something tangible and impressive. Each completed design becomes a source of pride, turning abstract thoughts into results that can be seen and touched. This natural sense of achievement encourages continued exploration and inspires further innovation. Consistency and precision build trust throughout the process. Clean and accurate results provide reassurance that every project will meet expectations. Beginners feel empowered to learn quickly, while experienced users can experiment freely and refine their skills. This dependable performance makes education and creation enjoyable, reducing stress and emphasizing the joy of producing meaningful outcomes. Learning feels simple and intuitive, with easy controls that allow users to make adjustments and improve over time. Every project strengthens skills and deepens the connection between imagination and reality. Number 4. Anacubic Photon P1 3D Printer. Turning imagination into reality becomes a captivating and rewarding experience with the Anacubic Photon P1 14K LCD 3-dimensional printer. Watching a design gradually emerge with precise detail brings a sense of excitement and pride that connects deeply with every user. Each creation reflects personal vision, making every project unique and meaningful. This emotional experience encourages users to explore new ideas and push the boundaries of creativity, transforming abstract thoughts into tangible forms that inspire and satisfy. A smooth and precise printing process keeps motivation and focus high. When each layer develops steadily, users feel confident and energized, knowing their effort will result in impressive and beautiful outcomes. Every finished project delivers pride and fulfillment, turning imagination into objects that can be seen, held, and admired. This steady rhythm of creation inspires curiosity and encourages users to experiment further, making every moment spent designing engaging and enjoyable. Dependability and accuracy build trust at every stage. Clean and consistent results reassure users that every project will meet expectations. Beginners gain confidence as they navigate intricate designs, while experienced creators enjoy freedom to refine and enhance their skills. This reliability transforms the creative process into a joyful and stress-free experience, emphasizing achievement over frustration. Learning becomes intuitive as simple controls allow users to adjust and improve designs naturally. Each project strengthens skills and deepens the connection between imagination and reality. Number 5. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Creative passion grows when ideas are no longer limited to imagination, and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3-dimensional printer brings that freedom into everyday life. The moment a design begins to appear in real form creates a powerful emotional connection, making each step feel meaningful and exciting. This experience inspires users to think bigger and explore new possibilities without hesitation. A faster creation journey keeps energy alive and prevents frustration from slow progress. When designs develop smoothly, it builds a sense of achievement that pushes creativity forward. Users feel motivated to continue, knowing that their vision can become real without unnecessary delays. This steady momentum turns simple thoughts into impressive results that feel worth sharing. Reliable performance builds trust from the very first attempt. Clean and consistent output gives confidence that every effort will lead to something satisfying. This sense of assurance removes fear of failure and replaces it with excitement, making the entire process enjoyable for both beginners and skilled creators. Learning becomes a natural part of the journey. Simple control allows users to adjust and improve without confusion, creating a smooth path toward better results. Each project adds new knowledge, making every experience feel valuable and rewarding. This printer becomes more than just a tool. It becomes a source of inspiration that transforms daily ideas into something real and memorable. The joy of holding a finished creation brings pride, while the endless opportunity to design keeps imagination alive, making it a powerful choice for anyone ready to create without limits.